Can you pass this U.S. citizenship test? Only a girl can answer all 25 correctly without Googling. Each one is harder than the last one. Question 5 is where the real test begins. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer A. George Washington. How many states are there in the United States? Answer B. 50 states. What is the longest river in the United States? Answer B. Missouri River. What is the largest U.S. state by land area? Answer C. Alaska. What is the official language of the United States? Answer B. None. How many U.S. senators are there? Answer B. 100. Which currency is used in the USA? Answer C. U.S. dollar. Who gifted America its iconic Statue of Liberty? Answer B. France. If you have made it this far, you share your birthday with 1 million people. Comment your birthday and see how many people have the same birthday as you. How many countries share borders with the USA? Answer A. 2. What is the name of the U.S. President's official home? Answer B. White House. What is the capital city of the United States? Answer A. Washington, D.C. Who is the current president of the United States? Answer A. Donald Trump. What is the highest court in the United States? Answer B. The Supreme Court. What are the first 3 words of the U.S. Constitution? Answer B. We the people. Hold the comment button and select one emoji and comment below. What is the official currency of the United States? Answer A. Dollar. What is the economic system in the United States? Answer C. Capitalist. Where does the USA rank in the world by population? Answer C. 3rd. In which month United States celebrate Independence Day? Answer A. July. What is the name of the U.S. Space Agency? Answer A. NASA. What is the most popular sport in the USA? Answer B. American football. Which U.S. president is on the $100 bill? Answer C. Benjamin Franklin. What is one responsibility only for U.S. citizens? Answer C. Serve on a jury. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer C. Neil Armstrong. What was the first university in America? Answer C. Harvard. Get ready for your last question. Comment your score below and share with your friends. How many stars are on the U.S. flag? Answer B. 50 stars.